This video was literally me acting like an actual crackhead.
You bring me home.
Hey guys, it's Ariana Janae. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna try to keep refilming my intro because, you know, we're just gonna roll with it. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, my Emma Chamberlain merch, high key order, whatever you want to call it. I'm like super excited and I'm trying to have that Emma mindset, wearing no makeup, drinking my iced almond milk latte. My favorite coffee place now changed me and I never need to add sweetener when I go there, so you know, it's nice to be woke. I think the camera's shaking a lot because it's on my bed, but we're just gonna go with it, whatever. If you're wondering why these are here, I had to cover up all my info, and if you're wondering why this is here, which is extra, I don't know if every post office does this, but in my city / neighborhood, for packages they always put my house number and like my street name on it, and like that's just still too much information, so I need to stop rambling. So this is what my stuff came in. I'll show you guys what I ordered when I open it, but my stuff came in this envelope thingy. It says high key on the front, and then we have Miss Beautiful Emma Chamby on the back. A picture of her as a kid. I don't even know how old she is. Maybe like 12, 13, like preteen, tween years. It's cute though. Dig it. Let's just open, shall we? I'm really hyper right now because I'm running on caffeine, and you know, it's like, it's the times where you want it to hit you the least that it just kind of like punches you in the gut. Okay, should I just like pull stuff out? Why not? Alright, here is the receipt. Just saying what I got on it, you know. I'm not gonna show you it because it has my address on it, so. I've been waiting so long for this. Oh my god, I know it's in here. I already watched like an unboxing of someone getting their poopy jacket, which I really wanted, but I didn't know if it was gonna fit, and I didn't have a lot of money at the time, so you know, but I kind of know what's gonna be in here. Okay, I'm just gonna pull whatever out. I've been waiting for this literally for so long though. Like I think I've been waiting like mid-July, but they had like a, no, not mid-July, probably like early August, but they had like a delay because of like high demand and stuff. Cute. So the first thing, I need to stop looking at myself. What is wrong with me? I don't know how to be a YouTuber. This high key pop socket. Honestly, never liked pop sockets. Thought they were stupid and ugly and just like on your phone and like uncomfortable. But like this is cute, and I really think I'm gonna use it when I get a new wildflower case. Okay. First thing, I bought the scrunchies, by the way. I'm just gonna say it now. So we have the yellow scrunchie. It says, it looks like this. Should I like beauty guru it? Like, I hope I make this video funny so it's entertaining for someone at least. So this is what it looks like. It is really soft. Like, I'm not trying to like hype up. I'm gonna give like an honest review. And it's yellow. It's a really bright yellow. I kind of would describe it as like the color of flowers, like a flowery yellow, you know? It's like vibrant, but it's not like neon, and it's not like too mustardy. It's like a really pretty yellow. And then it says here, I will try to do it. I'm very bad at this. It probably won't show. You know, we're just gonna, wow. Is it working? Is it working? No. I just can move on. It says high key on a little blue tag, and it like has a logo. Cute, fun. What else is in here? Okay. And then we got the red one. It's velvet too. This is like a cherry red. Here's what it looks like. I have no idea why I'm doing this. I never do this, but I'm just doing it so like the lighting doesn't get all whack. Ew, my fingers are disgusting. And then again, it has like a little high key blue tag thingy. These are really nice. The scrunchie that I have in right now is from Forever 21, and I bought like a bunch of them for like not that expensive. I think like $5 for a pack of 4. But they like don't really hold up my ponytails very well. Like they don't have any integrity, so I'm hoping these will do me justice. Right now from feeling them, they feel really nice. Plus they're like fluffier, which I enjoy. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so it's a high key keychain. It's just this. It's sort of patch situation. It comes on a little keychain. This is super cute. I don't know what I would put this on, but like, you know, gotta get the promo in. And I think this is the last thing in here. Yeah, it is. And then I have the white one. Okay, so the same as the other one, same velvet material. It's just literally a pure white. Looks like this. And then again with the little high key, little tag thingy. I saw some other people get this thing called a grandma scrunchie. It was like a floral pattern with like green and like flowers on it. I'm not sure. If I can find a picture of it, I'll insert it in the video. But people were getting that because their orders were coming so late because her website has been up for like so long. I don't really know the situation after what happened, but if you don't know, the prices for her clothing were really expensive before, and she lowered it down a little bit to like, you know, not compensate, but like just be nicer, I guess. And I don't know if those orders ever went through because her store launched so long ago, but I saw people getting that scrunchie specifically because the orders came in late and it came with a little note. But I don't know how you get that. I also was taking a quiz on Dote. It was called something like which like piece or like item are you from like high key. And if I can find that quiz, I'll link it down below. But like the result that I got was a grandma scrunchie, and then I looked to see if that like became an available thing like later on after these scrunchies and the clothing sold out. But it wasn't. So I don't know if that was just for people who ordered like at the first launch and like just because they got their items so late they received one of those. I'm not really too sure how that works, but I just kind of wanted to add that note, like, because that's just what I saw from other people. Okay, so when I was looking for the picture of the scrunchie, I did some, like, unintentional research, and it wasn't something that they were just giving away, and it wasn't something that was limited edition. They were actually selling it. I don't remember seeing it on the store when I went to order my stuff, and I don't remember seeing it from the previous launch either. But yeah, that's it. That's the update. Continue with the video and enjoy. Other than that, there's nothing else in here. I'm gonna end the video here because I don't know what else to talk about and this is kind of boring. I've been super obsessed with, I'm just gonna do like a closing thoughts right now. I've been super obsessed with Emma. She's so funny and so hilarious, and like even though there's been a lot of drama surrounding her, I just like think she's like a super genuine person. Like, I just admire the way that she's not afraid to, like, wear no makeup or, like, wear a bun or, like, not wear her best outfit every single day. Like, I just admire that. It's relatable, like, all the time. Like, even for me, like, I put so much effort into looking good in videos. Like, even in vlogging, like, when I close my vlogs and, like, it's, like, nighttime and I, like, look like an ape. I get like super self-conscious, but like seeing her in like literally probably 98% of her videos like looking like an average human being, which I look like every single day, something about that just like really made me admire her. And I just like love her sarcasm. I'm like super shy and I don't really get sarcastic unless I'm really close with you, but like I understand her humor. I think it's literally so funny, and her like video content is so entertaining. It's like something that I literally have watched all her videos. I don't even know why I'm rambling about her, but like if you don't know who she is, I'm gonna leave her channel in the description, even though she doesn't need any help from me. I'm pretty sure she's like close to 4 million subscribers now. But yeah, subscribe to her. She's great. Love her. The overall review, I think it's not worth your money, but if you really want it, buy it. I really wanted quality good scrunchies, and like people were like, why would you ever pay $6.50? I basically paid 18 something without tax, and the shipping was free. But like, I don't know, I just needed good scrunchies. Basically, to sum it up, I wanted good quality scrunchies, and I wanted them in colors that I wanted because I really could not find exactly what I needed. And if one of my favorite YouTubers is making a clothing line and I can support her and, you know, rep my girl, then of course I would do it. So overall, I would recommend it if you want it, but if you don't have the money, I wouldn't say just, you know, waste your money and buy it, you know, just like keep thinking about it. I just know I wanted good quality scrunchies and I wanted to support Emma. So take what you want from that, you know. I need to stop. I literally just reviewed scrunchies, a pop socket, and a keychain, and it's been like 14 minutes, so I'm gonna go now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my social medias, they'll be down below. Subscribe to Emma, like I said. I'll put her link down below, and I'll also put her channel at the end, like in my outro. You guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm done rambling. I'm going to drink my coffee. Okay, that's it. Deuces. I love you. Bye.
No, when we started, just two hearts in one home. It gets harder when we argue. We're both stubborn, I know. But oh, sweet